Now that your flute's together, we're going to learn how to hold it the right way. So when you hold the flute, it's going to go to your right. So the flute's always going to come out to this side of you. To start, we're not going to hold the flute yet, we're just going to use our hands. So take your left hand and put it out so that you're facing your palm and that you could blow air right into your palm. Take your right hand and put your palm facing out so that you're waving to someone. This is going to be the way your hands go to hold the flute. Now pick up your assembled flute and we're going to start with the right hand. And we're going to start from the pinky and go backwards. Pinky, 3, 2, 1. Look really closely at your flute and look at where the foot joint meets the body. You'll see that there's a key right where the foot joint starts. That key is going to be your pinky key in your right hand. So go ahead and put your pinky on top of that. If you count up the next 3 circle keys, those are going to be for fingers 3, 2, 1. Check that again. Pinky, then fingers 3, 2, 1. Your thumb goes right under your first 2 fingers. Once you find these 3 fingers, remember, pinky, then 3, 2, 1. Thumb goes underneath. Go ahead and flex your fingers up and down. Just get used to what that feels like at first. Keep your thumb touching the flute, but your 3 fingers and pinky are just going to move up and down. Now try that again, but only lift the fingers off as tiny as you need to so that the keys come up. So we're not coming way up and down here. Just up and down enough so that the keys let air inside the flute. Once that gets comfortable, let's use just 1 finger at a time. And let's start with the first finger. Go ahead and move that up and down. Then do just your second finger. Only the second finger up and down. Then the third finger. Only the third finger. And finally the pinky. Practice moving the pinky key up and down. Now, take your hand away from the flute and pretend like you're holding an imaginary cheeseburger. Don't drop the cheeseburger as you bring it to the flute, because it's that shape of your hand that we want to keep while holding the flute. Let's do the left hand. So we're going to start with the same finger. We're going to start with our pinky, but in our left hand. If you look, you'll see there's 1 key that looks different than all the other keys and sticks out. It's about halfway down your instrument, and that is the pinky key for your left hand. So go ahead and place the pinky right there. Then the next key right above it is going to be for your third finger. The key right above that is for your second finger. Pinky, 3, 2. This is a little bit different. We're going to skip the next key and put our first finger on the one after that. Let's go back. Pinky, next key, 3, next key, 2, skip, 1. Now for your thumb in the left hand, if you look on the back of the flute, you'll see that there's 2 different thumb keys. One of them pushes down 2 keys, and the other one pushes down just 1. We're going to use that one that only pushes down 1 key, so that's where your thumb goes. Pinky, 3, 2, 1. Left hand, pinky, 3, 2, 1. Let's work on exercising our fingers in the left hand like we just did with the right hand. So go ahead and flex all of those fingers up and down in your left hand. Now try just using your third finger, just your second finger, just your first finger. Let's do just the pinky, and now just the thumb. And that's how you hold the flute. Don't forget, it comes out to your right.